Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Deja Vu. The song is You Remind Me, the artist is Mary J. Blige, and the choreography is NICOLE. If you or someone you know is interested in line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 251 0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And here we go. Deja vu. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.